Bro, one time me and some guys from high school. What the fuck? There's just a dead fucking pelt here. What the fuck?
They skinned that bitch.
What the fuck? Is that a fucking skinned fox? What the fuck?
That?
That's like kind of fucked up, bro. What the fuck?
That's a fucking new coat. A new coat?
Yo, that's like, ugh. I feel bad looking at that.
I just hope it's not like a dog.
Oh,
That's like
God. I didn't even think. We're not gonna think about that, buddy. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Okay.